Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make your document available offline, so when you don't have internet connection you will still be able to open it on the Adobe Fresco application. But first I just want to mention to you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the Adobe Fresco application. After that, you should select the document that you would like to make offline or available offline, either from your home page, from the recent section, or from the files section. After that, you should click on this three dots icon that you can find next to the title of the document, and then click on Make Available Offline. As you can see, you have completed this process. If for some reasons, if you would like to set it back to only online, click on the Make Online Only button, and then it will be shown with this cloud icon that you can only access it online with the help of internet connection. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.